Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right inside Settings. Open it now and check iOS version under General about so you know what options you'll see. Next, sign into the device with your Apple ID if prompted. This makes changes persist across iCloud devices. If screen time is enabled, make sure you know the passcode. Otherwise, you won't be able to change content restrictions. Once done, tap Screen Time to begin the actionable unblocking steps described next. Inside Screen Time, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and unlock it using the Screen Time passcode. This authorizes changes. Then choose Content Restrictions and find Web Content to set to Allowed, which removes filters for Safari and system searches. Also check Siri and search settings. Allow search content and toggle off for restricted suggestions if needed, because Siri can still block items. Make sure to confirm each change. Some require you to press back to save. Finish by restarting your iPhone so all preference caches update. This ensures searches behave as expected. If restrictions return, check iCloud Screen Time syncing, sign out and back in to resolve conflicts, and make sure another device isn't enforcing rules. If you forgot the Screen Time passcode, use Settings Screen Time change Screen Time passcode and follow recovery steps or restore from a backup. Otherwise, a device reset may be required. One key tip: try a restart before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.